So in this lesson I have a new scene, newly created scene with this little cube. I have the scene because I'm going to introduce you the concept of to the concept of materials. So in real life, as we mentioned in the previous lesson, in real life we take some materials and make something, right? We take wood and we make a wooden chest, or we make a door. Yeah, we cut tree, make it wood, cut it, correct it, or do something and fix them together to make something, right? But in 3D software, in computer graphics, it's not possible. You cannot bring some wood into the computer graphics. So what do is the opposite. We make door and give it a sign and tell that this door is made of wood. Show or assign wood material to the door and make it look like a wooden door. Okay, so let's go. And it's universally the same across all 3D software and any software which use 3D models. And materials can be a bit abstract sometimes because there are different types of materials. Materials can be not only to hard surface models like a door, but some abstract things like fire, air, water. They are not abstract. These things are volumetric stuff. They also have some sort of material. For example, fire, you cannot hold it, but it has some material, right? It has some color and light. So, or water, it's not like a door, it's something transparent, right? But it's not fully transparent. So there are a lot of concepts to go over. But here we try to be as simple as possible, okay? Because you will learn the concept of materials and everything related to it completely in detail in other chapters dedicated to materials, okay? Now, we will try to make it simple now. So how can we work with materials in Blender? There is a materials tab in properties tab here. There is a material properties here. And as you can see, whatever you see here in this list is already assigned to the mesh object that we have selected. If we select this light, there is no material here because light is light, just it emits light. Camera, it doesn't have material. Only mesh objects have materials, or volumetric objects have materials. Now, let's change some stuff. We only need this surface here. We are not going to go very deep into details here. So here we have surface, right? In surface we change a few things. Base color and roughness. We're looking at roughness and maybe, I don't know, maybe metallic. Yeah. Other things are going to be talked in detail in other chapters. Now let's change base color. Let's make it blue. Oh, it doesn't change, right? It doesn't change to blue. Why? Because we have different shading options now, and you know that we can change them with a Z menu. We can change it with Z. Now we are in solid. Solid means the easiest option for a computer to work. This is why we always work in solid when we are modeling. We don't have to see the materials when we're modeling. But if we go to material preview, you can see it's blue. Change it to whatever color, it changed to that color. And that's it, that's the concept. It is all. But we have tons of things here. We will see them in detail as I told. Now let's try to change roughness. I made it 1, nothing changed. I made it 0, now something has changed. Roughness is how rough or how smooth the surface is. If it is 0, it's fully smooth. If it is 1, it is fully rough. It's a completely rough surface, like a stone or ground or something like that. Fully smooth means like a glass or something like this, okay? Now roughness can be 0.5, 5. That's it. But one interesting thing is, and let's look at metallic too. Let's turn metallic all the way up to 1 and turn roughness a bit down, and now you can see this looks like a metal box or cube. And turn down the metallic. So metallic roughness and base color, and we also have one thing very important, which is normal. We're going normal is faking depth on the surface, like some cavities, crevices, or some bumps on the surface. You can assign some texture, normal texture. Texture means a kind of picture that you can project over the surface of your object, and it looks like it has some, I don't know, maybe crevices, some dents, some bumps. It just fakes details. Normal is faking details, and it's really important in materials. So this is it, and you can see the material in the render preview, and it looks a bit more realistic right here. So when we talk about materials, we really need to talk about textures, and textures will be the next lesson.